Still, the fight is not taken away from the Tigresses, not by a long shot. They led from the start, and that, I think, was the key there for them.
That's right. It was they reversed the situation. Imbes na more pressure on their side because they had to catch up. This time around, they took it upon themselves to, really lead and dictate the pace of the third set, and it really worked for them. On top of that, you have also the other players. I think one thing that we should credit to UST in the third set was the fact that they had excellent defense. I think that, you have a strong attacking team like Ateneo, pero kahit paano, they really managed to keep the ball alive.
Now, Micah Ortiz, Maru Banaticla, who has done a yeoman's job in that third set. Plastimosa's defense. And Ingrid Reyes also. Ateneo, not the same team in that third set. As we mentioned, they've had the tendency to have a little bit of a letdown, especially after leads. And that girl on your screens, Maru Banaticla. 18 points in that last matchup to knock out FEU from the stepladder. And as we said, Ateneo only 5 errors in set number 2, doubling it
to 10. And, it wouldn't help them that much given that in terms of blocking, pareho lang sila 2 points. Looking at the attacks as well, it was actually UST that scored a little bit more with 13. For the first time. That's right.
But the lead was, the score was 25-22 in that third. So yun yung difference na yun. Those 2 points, those 3 points that you see that can tell the difference per set. So we're on to the fourth. Boom Gonzalez, Andre Mulia, Patch Cansana, and Jazz Reyes. ABS-CBN Sports exclusive. It is live on Studio 23 here at the arena in San Juan. Fourth set underway. Ateneo still in the lead, 2-1. And with the early lead here, 1-0.
Now we can expect Ateneo to start off strong. For sure, gusto niyan bumawi from the loss in the third set and to already close out this game here in the fourth set.
Canosa Academy, Einakachi. De Leon. Ferrer looks at her front line, sees Valdez. Di makulangan with coverage. Banaticla finding a spot. Oh!
The ball was could have been
almost. I actually thought it went under the net. Look at that.
Look at Jeff. Yung reflex lang talaga, automatic.
She always wanted to be a libero. That was her dream position.
Oh, really?
To be a libero. That's what she told me long time ago.
But she is doing very well as a setter, so I'm pretty sure that...
Wag na mag-shift.
That will be it for her, especially with Coach Roger around.
Dalawang best setter ka na eh. Okay na siguro yun. Lamang na naman po ang UST. 2, serving 1. That's overreach.
Too aggressive there on the side of UST. Again, looking back at set number 3, the advantage of UST was the fact that they took the lead from Ateneo, and from then on, they dictated the pace of that set. And now, it's very critical that they do the same thing here in the fourth set.
Build on it. Continue to build on the momentum from their third set. For Ateneo, Anne, what is it that they have to bring back? Penglet has been very consistent in those cross-court attacks. What is it that they have to do here in the fourth to finally get to the finals for the very first time?
Well, in the third set, they seemed not as organized as they were in the first and the second set. So I think here, they're moving very well. They just had a little bit more errors in the third set. So if they can keep it at a minimum, if they can, I think they wouldn't have any problem at all. Because offensively, you can see that they actually have it. Defense, they have a good libero. Yun lang talagang get themselves together, minimize their errors, and they're good to go.
Again, 10 unforced errors in that third set, the most they have had. Coach Roger right beside us with a reaction you'll never see on TV. They're ahead by 1 point. 3 serving 4. Gervasio adjusts. Ortiz, we haven't heard from her in a while.
Outside shot, Ortiz.
And we haven't heard from Jazz Reyes in a while, so let's listen to her.
Thanks, Boom. So preparation, this is one thing that Coach Roger saw that the girls lacked during that previous set. Sinabi nga niya na hindi dapat hulaan ang ginagawa ng kalaban. Dapat prepared tayo. One of Coach Roger's main concern now is the fact that lumalakas ang loob ng UST. With that, he wants the girls to out-tough and outlast UST, being fearless all throughout. The girls know their faults, as even their captain, Phil, told them, ang dami natin errors. At ang hirap kapag naghahabol tayo. Coach Roger adds on saying, alam na pala ninyo ano ang mali eh. Ito na. Once again, it's crucial to start and end strong. Bumanan?
And you know, just to jump on what Jazz Reyes said, as they lead by 3 here, in the last changeover, Coach Roger did not even address the girls. It was the girls talking to each other.
That's right. And I remember also Coach Roger nga saying na gusto niyang hayaan, gusto niyang matuto yung team niya talaga to handle themselves, yung diskarte sa loob ng court.
Yep.
And well, let's see here in the 4th set.
They're still ahead by 3. Kainglet is denied. Back set. Valdez from the back line. Morado taking it. Ortiz again. You hear the groan from the crowd. If you call it a groan, but a gasp or an
When he's
excitement.
going for the running attack.
Parang yung abang.
Oh, yung abang. And also anticipating where she's gonna bring the ball. Will it be down the line, cross-court? She has a lot of options.
She used to play in the shadow of Isa Maizo. Now coming out of her shell here. Over-received by Lazaro. 2 straight points by Ortiz.
Oh, Ateneo.
What are they complaining about?
They're
Kainglet?
actually saying that there was no touch.
Lead is down to 1. UST catching up here. Let's check in with Patch.
Buhay pa tayo. That's what I heard in the huddle in that last timeout. They will need to be consistent after that set, consistent in communicating and consistent in their teamwork. But if you ask Coach Oji, it's Judy Caballero who's been consistent in helping out the team since the start of the season. That is why Coach Oji went to her and told her that, and the rest of the girls, that there is a great need for teamwork on defense. Remember that every time you defend, you deny Ateneo's points. Lastly, be alert and do your thing. If you see the ball, hit it. Do not depend on someone else.
Ann pointed it out. They defended better in that 3rd set. Denied a lot of the usual attacks of Ateneo. Oh, okay. I thought they were going to take away the serve because waiting for the whistle. Yep, you have to wait for the whistle.
7 serving 5.
That's the official whistle. Gretchen serving. 7 serving 5. Lastimosa. Not enough in there. Kainglet. Banatikla taking it. They go back to Pamela. Gervasio. Oh, another one! Second straight for Phil Kainglet. Well, you know what they say, better to be lucky than good. And she's both. Today, at least. The lead is 3. Back in a moment.